Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to signal in Dota 2. Signaling is important because it lets you communicate danger, objectives, or movement without typing or using voice chat. In-game, hold the Alt key and left-click on the ground, an enemy, or a building.
Yes.
This creates a ping signal your team can see and hear. You can also Alt plus left-click abilities, items, or cooldowns to show information like ultimate ready or on cooldown. Be careful not to spam signals, you might annoy your teammates for using excessive pings. Quick tip, make sure that you also use your pings when enemies are missing to warn your team before ganks happen.
There's more of me, but less to see.
And that's how to signal in Dota 2. Thank you so much for watching.